Here's where we left off last time. The engine's in, the front end's on, and it's just a rolling chassis. So here's the only recommended way of taking the steering wheel off. I wanted to take it off to make sure that I could get it off later, and you have to use a press. As you can see, there's a keyway in there, and mine was stuck. You can't use a puller to get them off. I made a choke lever out of a piece of just tie wire to eliminate the cable setup that went down underneath the engine. I put a piece of conduit around that rubber fuel line that's near the chain, and I actually tied it away from the chain, so there is a gap there. Painted the wheels. It takes a lot of time to mask them off right, but I did them both. Here's the paint that I used. I got it at Painter's Supply. It's a PPG, just a base paint, no hardener. It came out pretty good. So I did find out, I took a picture, it's a K301, which is a 12 horsepower cooler, as I was told. Recall the electrical system looked pretty ratty when I started. That's a motorcycle battery. So I took it all apart, got out all the electrical components I had. Now the electrical wiring is cleaned up so that I can remove the engine quickly if I need to. And it looks better. I took it over in the yard and put the weights on it. Here you can see it's loaded for a 1,250 pound class. There's about 70 to 100 pounds on front and about 200 pounds on the back. And with me that brings it up to 1,250. So here's a picture from the first pull, and that's another video. Thank you for watching and listening.